Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can create a personalized workout plan in Notion. First things first, open your Notion app and create a new page. We'll call this page Workout Plan. This is where all your exercise planning and tracking will live. The reason we do this is to have a central location for all your fitness-related needs, making it easier to stay organized and on track. Now that we've done that, the next step is to set up your main table. Click on the plus Add a Block button and select Table. This table will serve as your main workout log. It's important to have a structured layout to easily track your workouts, progress, and improvement over time. Once you've set up your table, it's time to customize the columns. The first column can be date, the second exercise, the third reps, and the fourth sets. You can add additional columns like duration, intensity, or notes. Customizing columns this way makes your workout tracking more personalized and detailed. Now, let's add some data to your table. For instance, if you did 10 push-ups on Monday, you will enter Monday under date, push-ups under exercise, 10 under reps, and 1 under sets. This helps us because it allows you to have a visual record of what you did, when you did it, and how much of it you did. Next up, let's make use of Notion's Templates feature. Click on the arrow next to New, then plus New Template. In this template, fill out the exercises you plan to do regularly. This way, every time you want to log a common workout, you won't have to fill out everything manually. It's a great time saver. You've now created a personalized workout plan in Notion. But let me explain why this matters. By tracking your workouts, you're more likely to stay consistent, see patterns, monitor progress, and achieve your fitness goals. And that's it. You now know how to create a personalized workout plan in Notion. Keep experimenting and adjusting the plan as per your needs. Remember, consistency is key. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.